Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 Pet Supply. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance and economics and other courses. So we can move to the instruction file Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 Pet Supply, and we can move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name exp19 Excel chapter 4 ml1 pet supply. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. Go to the instruction file and question number 1. Go to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a freeze the top row so that the column label do not scroll off a screen. Freeze the top row of the column. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the top row. Go to the view tab and freeze pane. Freeze the top row. Freeze the top row. Step number 2 is a complete. Go to the next step is step number 3. Convert the data to table and name the table inventory 2021. Convert the data to the table. Go to the insert tab and select the table group. Select the table and range is A1 to G79. Click OK. And name the table inventory 2021. Copy the table name and paste the table name. Go to the insert tab, table design and table name. Paste the table name inventory 2021. Press enter. Step number 3 is a complete. So the next step is step number 4. Step number 4 is apply the table style medium 3 to the table. Table style medium 3. Go to the Excel worksheet. Select the table design and go to the table style. Table style medium 3. Apply the table style medium 3. Table style medium 3. Orange table style medium 3 and orange table style medium 3. And step number 4 is a complete. Go to the step number 5. So the step number 5 is sort the table by warehouses A to Z, that then by unit price smallest to largest. Create a custom sort order for the department so that appears In this sequence, food, health, cooler and lashes, twice clothes, training and grooming. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the data and select the sort the data and sort the table by warehouse. At a level warehouse, then by unit price smallest to largest. At a level unit price, at a second level, then by unit price smallest to largest. Unit price is smallest to largest. Create a custom sort from the department so that appear this sequence is a food and health. By unit price, create a custom sort order department of create a custom sort smallest to largest. Create a custom sort by the department for department appearance. Add a level and click a department. Click the custom sort and food and health. Press enter and collars and leashes. Copy and paste. Twice clothes. Add twice and clothes. Clothes. Training and grooming. Add the training and grooming. And grooming. Last is grooming. And click add, click OK. So again is food and health, and collar and leashes, and twice add the twice clothes and training, add the training and grooming. Click add and click OK. Did not add is food and training, leashes and grooming. Click OK and again click OK. So the next step is step number 6. Step number 6 is remove the duplicate record from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Go to the Excel worksheet and remove the duplicate record. Move a duplicate record, select all and click OK. One duplicate value found or removed and 77 unique value remain. Note that count may include empty cell space. Click OK. So the step number 6 is complete. Go to the next step is step number 7. Create an unqualified structure reference in a column G. Determine the value of the inventory on hand and apply the accounting number format to calculate the inventory on hand. Multiply with the unit price and amount on hand. Click the type is equal to unit price multiply by amount on hand. Structure reference column G. Determine the value inventory on hand and apply accounting number format. Multiply unit price and amount on hand. Unit price and amount on hand. Press enter. Copy the formula. Apply and accounting number format. Go to the accounting number format. Step number 7 is a complete. Next step is step number 8. Apply a total row to the inventory 2021 table. Set the inventory value to sum and amount on hand average. Format the result to display with the 2 decimal places. Apply the total row. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the table design and select the total row. Select the total row and set the inventory to sum, inventory value to the sum, inventory value to the sum, and amount on hand average. Amount on hand is select the average and amount on hand the average. Format the result, display the 2 decimal point. Format the result is 2 decimal point. Go to the home tab and display to the number 2 decimal point. Click OK. The step number 8 is complete.